So who noticed last week from Tuesday to Wednesday, the close price on both TQQQ and SQQQ versus the open price on the 21st of June were completely different? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining the actual dividend payout and the breakdown from versus when this was recorded, executed, and actually going to be paid out. I hope that this video helps you understand what exactly happened. If you have any questions after this video, remember, you can always send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description down below. Hope that you learned something new, and if you do, drop a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. Again, talking a little bit more about this on SQQQ. If you guys see from Tuesday to Wednesday of last week, it supposedly says that we closed at 1930, which was not the case because on Wednesday, I have mine. And again, feel free to check your charts if you ever screenshot or record any of your trades. SQQQ closed on the actual 20th around $19.57. But the open, right? The actual open that it recorded was 1930. And not just the open, but the previous close of what it recorded it at was 1930. This is a discrepancy of 26 cents. Well, again, it's very simple to understand. For SQQQ, you guys can see here that SQQQ had a dividend payout that is going to be on the 28th of June. But you could see that this was actually effective on the 21st of June. So from the 20th to the 21st, if you held any of those shares, SQQQ showed to be in the green based off of percentage growth. But if you actually held those shares, again, a lot of these trading applications don't take the dividend payout into consideration. So your P&L probably was in the red, but yet the actual ETF itself said that it was in the green, right? Or vice versa, the same thing for your TQQQ position. I'm just using SQQ as an example because it was the one that was actually in the green on Wednesday, yet if you held a position overnight, your P&L was most likely in the red on the day, right? So the declaration date was on the 20th of June. The effective date was the 21st. And even if you sold your position on the 21st, because it takes 2 days for your position to settle, it is still considered to be recorded on the 22nd, and your payment and your payout should be on the 28th, meaning that depending on how many shares you had, you should be receiving a dividend payout of 26 cents or 26.6227 cents per share. For TQQQ, that payout is going to be about nearly 13 cents per share for TQQQ. I wanted you guys to have a very clear and crisp understanding of what happened. Again, all they really did is they took the previous close, whatever it is that they wanted to offer for the dividend payout, they take that off of the actual market price, rebalance it, and then again, if you at least held or owned any of those shares on those effective dates, then you get paid out on their distribution date. So very excited to follow up. Again, if you have any questions like this, I love to help beginners get started. And that's really just it. Hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Remember, I do trade live every single morning at market open for our LPP team. If you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, that's going to be that second link in the description down below. If you have any questions before joining my live session, then again, send me a direct message, and that's that first link in the description down below. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.